Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to coordinate with your squad in COD Warzone Mobile. To do that, choose your landing spot wisely. High density areas offer abundant loot but attracts more players. Peripheral areas provide a safer start. Keep an eye on the plane's flight path and the first safe zone to decide where to land. Manually control your parachute for a faster descent and precise landing. Aim to be among the first to land, giving you an advance in arming yourself before engaging enemies. Engage with contracts early on. They provide reward like cash, weapons, or tactical information. Use contracts to gain resources for purchasing items from buy stations, including loadout drops. Buy stations are pivotal. Purchase items like precision airstrikes, UAVs, self-revive kit, and loadout drops. Be cautious, using a buy station exposes you to enemy threats. Understand weapon strengths and weaknesses. Customize loadout at loadout drops for an advantage in gunfights. Effective communication is key. Use voice chat or quick messages to relay enemy positions, share resources, and plan strategies. Coordinate movements, cover angles, and share information with your squad. And that's how to coordinate with your squad in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.